so now this goes in here. Okay, now I'm switching hands, right? How are my fingers not gonna get full of, nah, whatever, screw it. You're supposed to get your hands dirty when you cook, no? One of the things that we naturally grow in Canada very well, is it grow or raise? Fish.
Farming them.
We're farming them.
Farming.
Which is a version of growing.
Raising, farming. I don't think you would say grow.
Well, listen, we got a lot of fish in these waters around Canada. As we're looking to provide our customers with products of Canada, one of the natural places to go for your proteins is fish. And at Vince's, we're very happy to know that there are certain items that year-round we procure from fisheries that are Canadian. And those types of fish that we have every day at Vince's that again are Canadian sourced is going to be salmon, rainbow trout, haddock, Pacific snapper. So this is gonna all be sourced out of BC. The other thing I love is the way that we present our fish at Vince's. Skin film style of packaging where you can see
the back.
All of it. Like you see exactly what you're buying. The other thing about buying fish is there are some pretty important certifications out there. You will hear sometimes that fish is MSC or ASC certified. MSC is for wild, ASC is for aquaculture, which means it was grown in a farm. Pretty much the standards are similar in the sense of there's a responsibility to have sustainable practices, whether you're farming or whether you're fishing for wild. Certification is important in fish. Not only does it govern the rules of how the fish is raised and caught, but it actually makes sure that all along the transportation route that it's maintained at temperature, safe food handling, all the stuff that you want to know is happening, the certification verifies that it is happening. And now, of course, what is everyone trying to do when they buy fish? Come up with fun ways to cook it. We decided on fish tacos. We're gonna use the red snapper. First of all, it's nice and thick that you can send it into pretty good strips. It will take on the flavor of the seasoning better. We're gonna show you how to make a really pretty straightforward fish taco at home. You don't have to wait till you go to the restaurant. You can make this any night of the week. I'm gonna rinse the fish lightly. Just cold water rinse. You want bites or strips?
I think strips are good.
We've got the traditional battering setup here, which is flour, egg, breadcrumb. We're gonna be using a mixture of panko breadcrumbs to balance that out, just to make sure that we have good adhesion all the way around the fish, especially because we are going to be putting it in the air fryer, is we're using just a fish crisp. You can use this on its own if you're ever frying, deep frying, even baking. This also is already seasoned. So it's got some garlic powder, it's got some onion powder, it also has paprika, salt. What did you call it? What do we flavor every layer?
Flavor every layer.
Flavor every layer. We might add a little bit of additional seasoning to it. So this is for 1 pound of fish. And we're gonna go in with a quarter of this. Half of the panko. So we are going to preheat our air fryer. Put it on 390. This is 8 minutes in here. These turned out crispy. I'm happy with this. I have to throw a little salt on it. It's a little undersalted. Don't tell Kristen. I under-flavored every layer. Okay, honey.
For the sauce, mayo, sour cream, sriracha, lime juice, and a bit of garlic powder. We can warm the tortillas a bit in a pan. You can top it the way you want, but we're going to use some shredded cabbage, cilantro, the Mad Mexican, pico, and guacamole that we love so much.
You know what, one fish fillet is perfect for 2 people, even 3 people.
Oh yeah.
This looks so fresh. I know I probably should have done the sauce on top, but I'm a sauce on the bottom taco, because then it stays in.
That's why I put the guacamole at the bottom.
I like it all at the bottom. With the red snapper is good.
Really good.
Better than a restaurant.